Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. Today I have another unboxing for you guys to check it out. This is from Kohl's, and then I believe these are some of the sandals that my wife got for Father's Day. So let's go and then open this package and then show you guys what she got. Let's go ahead and do it. Oh, there's an invoice. Let's go and check it out. So here are the items right here. Bosnia black sandal, size 8, $37.50. What? I hope that's not the real price. And then there's a Lush Lux tank shorts, $24.99. Track and jumper S&P, $9.99. So let's go and then open this up. Let's see. Wow. And it's a bubble wrap. So we got this Skechers Relaxed Fit Memory Foam 360, wraparound memory foam lining, instant comfort, durable outsole, design in Los Angeles. And here's the men's size. And this one's made in China. 100% box material, designated as a responsible source by FSC. Wow, it's nice sandal. Hope she didn't pay $37.99 for it. I like the memory foam, and then on the inside here, it's a padded too, so it's gonna be very comfortable. I don't really like this. Sometimes when I wear it, it tends to break off or hurt my between my toes. And you got the Skechers branding right here. Here is the outsole. Here's a tag. Then you got the Skechers logo right here. So yeah, it's very cushioning. You can see the memory foam. And then here's another one. Let me see what's this color. Celebrate American Together. Oh, this is salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. So it's like a old school truck with the camper on the back. Salt and pepper shaker set. Says retail price is $19.99. Let's go and then open this up. Guess she's ready for the July. Ooh, look at that. Nice ride, huh? So I open this and put like I don't know which one's salt, which one's pepper. Made in China. Right? Let's go and then check out this one. It's the last one. So yeah, look like a pajama set again, $36. I believe I did the unboxing or wrapping for this already. Got the pockets right here. And again, she probably fell in love with this. It's a very soft material by Craft and Barrel. And made in Cambodia. 93% polyester and 7% spandex. And it comes with this shorts with the draw cord. This is size medium, and it is same material. You have left and then right hand pockets right here, and then there's no rear pockets. All right. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.